Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the Cortana Productivity Assistant on your Windows 10 device from starting up automatically. So basically when your computer starts up, Cortana would by default start up as well. And if you are looking just to turn this off, and just disable the Cortana experience or perhaps re-enable it, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we are going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Select the settings gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It should say settings. Go ahead and select that. Select the apps tile. Uninstall default optional features. Go ahead and select that. So again, apps. And now select startup on the left side. Give it a moment here to load the list. And then it should say sort by name. If you have a lot of programs in here, it'll obviously take a little longer to scroll, but you're looking for Cortana. So if Cortana is off and you want to turn it on, just toggle it to the off position by clicking inside of the oval one time. And if you wanted to do the opposite, just go ahead and select the oval again, and that would turn it to the off position. Once that's done, you just would close out of here. You would need to restart your computer for that change to take effect, and that would be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.